Hey guys, in this video I will demonstrate you how to use the Flutter to create the OpenAI Real Time API demo, which supports the WebRTC. I already created a whole bunch of them by the Java, Python, iOS, React Native. So this one will focus on the Flutter. I hope this one will be the last one, since if we implement a new platform, we need to learn a lot. Learn something is very fun, but if you keep learning the same thing again and again, it's not so very enjoyable. Okay, so let's try this one. It's connecting. What's the population of United States?
As of my last update in October 2023, the population of the United States was estimated to be...
Could you count from 1 to 10?
Absolutely. Here we go. 1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4.
that's it. Okay, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need any...
Okay, yeah, that is how it's currently working, which is the WebRTC version. I created some Websocket before, but this is for the WebRTC. WebRTC is more smooth. I have a series for WebRTC and OpenAI Real Time API, so I will put the link over there. You guys could take a look. Also, I will put the source code to the GitHub, so you guys could download that and take a look. Let's show you the code. Okay, so here is the main code. This one is just to come from the default Flask. This one, not Flask, is a Flutter. This one is the first page. The page you just see, there are only one label. Once it starts, it will it's just start the application. So here I add some print something over here, so you can take a look. The main thing is from here. So first thing, the same as other platform. Any platform uses WebRTC, the same deal. You need to initialize the P2P connection, data channel, and a log string. So here I initialize these three objects, and then we click the WebRTC. To connect the WebRTC, we need just to create the this one I initialize the object, but this one I add some parameter over here. It's just declare the variable. This will be initialize the object. So and then we need to add the audio string. So here is some configuration. This configuration is very important. You need like do the noise cancelling, the echo cancelling. So just set this to be true. You have to set this rate. If you send some other stuff, it may not get work. So just copy this code over there. Okay, so once you have this local string set up, then we create the data channel. Like most of the WebRTC, they use the same way to create the data channel. For the Flutter, I use this library for the WebRTC stuff, so you can check their documentation how to initialize the WebRTC object, the P2P object, P2P connection. So the most important one is here with SDP, because the SDP is the session description. So we're trying to request the SDP, request the remote SDP. So here we create an offer and use this offer to request the remote SDP and set up the remote SDP. Once the local SDP and the remote SDP set up, it will get working. So here, before we request that, we need the key. We need the secure. Not secure. We need the OpenAI key, not the OpenAI API key, but the security key. Here is the security key. To get the security key, we need with the request OpenAI to get a token, which is which looks like the token. So here is we get the security key, the secret key. Okay, so if you go to the definition of this guy, okay, here we get the OpenAI secret key. So this one, we use this URL and use the OpenAI API key to request the secret key. So this is how is this one get working. So let's go back to here. Here we just request the key. Yeah, we get this request key. Once we get the request key, we go here. We connect. We get this get into this method. This method will set up the local SDP and the remote SDP. So this is how it's account working. You could put your request the secret key on the server side if you don't want to your OpenAI key exposed in the client side. So you could put this method to your backend. If you have the Java.NET, you could have a Web API to request the OpenAI to request the secret key and return the secret key to the front end. The front end use the secret key to request the SDP. That is how it should work. Okay, so once we have the remote and the local SDP set up, the connection will automatically created. So that is how connection get created. If you want to do something like if you want to do some function call or some other method or some other event like the transcription get complete, you'll need to do something over here. You'll need to do something over here. If it's a binary, we just say it's a binary. If it's not, we just print the text. You need to write some case statement to check the return. If the return say okay, it need to run some function call, then you write some function call. I have some other video to talk about the function call. If you look at the this JavaScript one, if you look at this one have more detail about how to do the function call. So you can take a look at this video. I don't want to put duplicate code over here. Yeah, I think that is pretty much all. This is for get the secret key. This is request the SDP, remote SDP. Once we have the secret key, okay, this is a secret key. We use a secret key to request the SDP. So basically we have two requests to the OpenAI Real Time API server. One is request the secret key. Another one is use the secret key request the SDP. So it's pretty much like most of the authentication process. You need to request a token, and then you use the token to do whatever you want. This thing just like some event about the status of the button of the label. So it's not very difficult to understand. This is a button. Yeah. I think that pretty much all. Let me know if you have any question or if you have more requirements. I could look into more detail and try to implement to support more platform. Okay, thank you. Bye.